back to Mom and Kids Kitchen. So today we have our Sierra Leone recipe called bordoh.
Bordoh juice.
It's street food bordoh.
Juice.
So we are going to make it today. It's very short,
Easy
to
recipe.
Yeah.
Yes, for my mother.
For you, you don't want it?
I don't like.
So first we are going to
Blend it. So my sister.
Blend the cassava with the juice extractor.
yes. So you people have to talk today. So talk.
So me
Yes, that's what we are going to do. So this is cassava. We already peeled the cassava.
Make sure, sorry, not speak to you. Make sure the cassava sweet, not bitter.
No bitter.
Because if you bitter, you're not going to enjoy you bordoh way they eat them. You're not going to enjoy at all if you bitter. So you make sure the cassava is sweet. Make sure you don't get any brown for white.
White.
Then if you not get the juice extraction, not bad. You go use the grater, but that grater it takes time and you need more energy for doing. So if you get the juice extraction, you can do it. You blend that inside. So if you not get time, you can use the grater. You use the grater. So you see, you remove the bone, they remove the stick at the middle. Then now when it starts. Guys, now we done for blend them.
What should I do?
See, the water, you do some. So now they can squeeze around at the pieces. I they use a tie because if you use a tie, if you use that shirt, I don't know if that shirt is. The one they use for backing, when they sew, the backing goes with satin back. Or if you use a line most of what I use a tiny clean one. How they can use not dirty one, right? Clean one, right?
Yes, anyone.
You all the tell they all that is siphon. The light and sticky, they squeeze the water very well. Now they can use for this.
I'll get to see that. Then I'll get to walk. Then I'll get to find yes. Wow, it's rolling. Rolling.
It's plenty.
Very big. Gigantic.
Bordoh. But they can't fight it. This one a boku, so are they squeeze and beat by bit.
Yes. What? I want to help.
You want to this one? You need strength to do it. So only mommy can do it. Okay. When we finish, you are going to boil it. When you are boiling it, then you boil. Okay.
Boil it?
Yeah.
Boiling.
So like this.
Like this.
Therefore, turn them. Water they come on. Therefore, make sure all the water go out. Make sure all the water go out.
Squeeze so the water can go out of there. Yeah, squeeze. I don't
touch am. If you feel say you know your water this way, okay.
Can I touch it?
Seriously.
Can I touch it? Can I touch
They're not for over dry. If you over dry again,
it? I can see. Mommy, can
and they make like it's form too much big. Like,
Mommy, can I touch it too?
you want to touch it? You can touch it from here. So guys, now we done for squeeze the cassava, the green cassava, the bordoh. Now you for scatter. We can put salt. Only salt now you need from this for this bordoh. You only need for put only salt.
Only 1 tablespoon.
No, teaspoon. No, Mama, wait. I will give you. Wait.
Only 1 teaspoon of salt. Oh, will put
This 1 teaspoon. You put and put it. Put. Okay, that's me. And 1.5 teaspoon salt. It depends the salt you want to. For me, I don't like too much salt. So 1.5 teaspoon salt. And also, if you salt at mark, you know they beat out. So therefore, be careful.
So we shall mix all of them. We should mix the
You need for
cassava.
scatter because of it squeeze I boil also. You need for scatter small before you boil. Scatter.
I want to boil.
Now they can boil the butter.
Boil.
Boil it. I will show you how to do it.
Yeah, I know how to boil it.
Mama, don't play with it. Don't mess up with it. Now boil it. Don't play with it. No, with your one hand, not 2 hands. Mama, this is not. Don't squeeze it like that. Watch what Mommy is doing. Like this.
Look, am I squeezing it too much?
Like this.
Okay.
Then
I'm gonna squeezing it.
see. This is not the size. Today, I will go try another method for this bordoh. Because Sierra Leone, the only thing we use for bordoh na pepper. Only pepper now we use. But today, me I dey go use. I dey try am with sugar again, and the liquid sugar. We dey melt the sugar. Serious. The sugar. We dey melt am. Then I dey use am with am. If you wan know how I dey do am, I dey melt my sugar syrup.
You're squeezing it too much.
Just give the comment below. Okay. Who do this one?
Me.
Yeah, clap for yourself. Hey, this one a baby bordoh. Mama, they waste the bordoh from your baby.
Sometimes they do big ones, sometimes I do small one.
You should not too long. You see how Mommy doing it short. This bordoh where they boil, I no need water out there. If you need water, you put water. Just you and dry. Make you one problem.
Who made this one?
I don't know.
Can you make it?
No! It's smooth.
It's Yasmin. Yasmin, make this one nice. They look at what this one is. Now they make it smooth and put it in.
How do I do it? I don't know.
Come on. Yay, clap for yourself. You're learning. That's me also, you're trying. Wow. Good. Let it don't be too long, okay?
Okay.
It should not be too short, it should not be too long. And it should boil
It should
nice.
be
It should not have any old.
It should be the same like this one.
Yes, meat. You see how many long it's meat, right? It should be meat.
So we can go.
So guys, we done.
Now let's go to
I don't
the
fry some.
Fry. Let's go fry.
So now this balance, we will show now for fry this. Hey!
Now we are going to fry it to
I've already put the oil, I don't heat them, so now they go show you the amount of oil you need.
Yeah.
And fry it.
Let's go to the kitchen.
All it, let's cook it.
So guys, see the bordoh. Do I have fry first? Look at so the color attractive. So now they show now for fry the other. Okay guys, now they put the bordoh. You make sure the bordoh, the oil cover, huh? Even if you not over cover, you know bad. Then the oil not for overheat. If you heat, the bordoh go burn and it go down out, but the inside go raw. So make sure the oil not too warm and it not cold as well. It will be moderate. Okay. Enough for too much warm, enough for too much cold as well. So it will get nice color like the way me come out the inside and out. It will take time for cooking inside. And not go burn, it will give you that golden color. It's okay. Okay, now with the left and leg fry. If they can check them so you not go burn the under because it's easy for burn down. Because you know you touch the frying pot down, so you get for check. So guys, the bordoh done ready. See how color the golden one.
Golden
color.
Golden.
So almost finished the bordoh. Now they transfer them. I spread the kitchen tissue. I spread and so it will suck the oil, the excess oil. This really short, so the bordoh come on fine now. It come on fine. So now they put the small oil left, so they put them again. This is the small one way left. Show them the bordoh. I come out. See the golden color, so attractive, so nice, and so puffy, guys. Let's show now. See how puffy it is. Oh God, my children they make me as well. So guys, now we turned down the video. We don't fry the bordoh. See how fluffy. See, it's so fluffy. So I can split them. How soft it look like. Then I put the pepper middle. Mama, stop. I put pepper middle. I saw kids and I see them. They split and middle, you put the pepper, and they eat it like that. Okay, this is my the first method. This is the Sierra Leone. How many eat them? Stop.
You want some? I want to prepare some.
No, the pepper is too much.
I'll give another one.
Okay. So this one they can't use the sugar.
Let me put it for here.
Or they put the sugar. Come on, put it.
Sugar. I want sugar.
Okay. I shall taste it because you like how the sugar. Don't be till it. Don't be till you eat. So guys, you know why don't picking them. So you get for patience. You know it's a mommy and kid, so that will disturb now the video. So that's sorry for that. So now we don't know the bordoh. We don't show now. This method, the sugar one. I mean, I want to say la try them. I want to try them. It's so nice. Every model, everyone will try in Lebanese. He like the method. He like the bordoh. It's so. We say thank you for the subscriber, the new and the old. We appreciate for everything. So if you like this video, you can like, comment, subscribe, and share. So thank you very much.
Bye. Love you.
Love you. Bye.